You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a variant spelling of a French name. If you want to learn more French pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as Louis. The French pronunciation, Louis. Now, in French, it normally has an S instead of the E at the end, different spelling. Louis. In English, Louis. French pronunciation, how to pronounce Louis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.